everyone. I'm Miss Alicia from the Trustful Public Library. I'm so excited today to be bringing you a penguin story. Today's theme is all about penguins. The story that I will be sharing with you today is Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Taj Bentley. We're going to start off with an action rhyme. And I would love for everybody to participate with me at home. We're also going to do a little bit of a rhyme when we're moving around. And I'm going to use my penguin to demonstrate how you do that. But let's start off with our action rhyme. So we're going to need our 5 fingers. This is kind of like a finger plate. And I'm going to use my 5 penguins on my flannel board today. Now, one thing that we know that penguins love to do is they love to dive into the sea and swim, swim, swim. So here we go, 5 perky penguins. 5 perky penguins stood on the shore. One went for a swim. Can you swim at home? Whee! And then there were 4. 4 perky penguins looked out to sea. One went swimming. Woo! And then there were 3. 3 perky penguins said, "What can we do?" One jumped into the water. Whoa! And then there were 2. 2 perky penguins sat in the sun. One swam off. Woo! And then there was 1. 1 perky penguin said, "This is no fun." He dived into the water. Woo! And then there were 9. Great job, everybody! Next, we are going to do a movement. And we're going to use my little penguin. Hey, everybody! And this song is to the tune of "I'm a Little Teapot." Everybody ready? I'm a little penguin, short and stout. I waddle on the ice with my feet facing out. Woo! When I'm feeling playful, I dive into the sea. Woo! It's super duper cold, but it's perfect for me. Yay! Let's try that again. I'm a little penguin, short and stout. I waddle on the ice with my feet facing out. When I'm feeling playful, I dive into the sea. Woo! It's super duper cold, but it's perfect for me. Oh, I just love that. We're doing one more time. All right, here we go. I'm a little penguin, short and stout. I waddle on the ice with my feet facing out. When I'm feeling playful, I dive into the sea. Woo! It's super duper cold, but it's perfect for me. Yay! Thank you, everybody, for participating with us at home. Now, let's get ready for the story. Yay! This story is Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Oh, it's not fun to get hiccups, is it? Hello, everybody. It's so nice to meet you. I wonder if you might be able to help me with something today. As you've noticed, I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. Oh, it all started last week on chili night. Oh, I just couldn't help it. I just had to have some chili. Oh, but as soon as I did, I got the worst case of hiccups. Oh, and let me give you some advice. Never, ever, 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 ever give chili to a penguin. Oh, it gives me the worst case of hiccups. Oh, I just can't seem to get rid of them no matter what I do. Oh, you know, I have tried standing on my head. Ooh. And I've even tried, drinking from a cup, but backwards. Yeah, so I've tried, instead of drinking it like this, I've bent backwards trying to drink it. Oh, and I've even tried standing on my head and drinking backwards, just like this. Oh, and I've bent all the way back, and I still can't seem to break these hiccups. Nothing seems to work. Oh, what will I do? Oh, but you know what? I have got an idea. Yes, I think it just might work. I need your help at home, though. Yes, someone told me that if you give someone a really good scare, that, it's the surest way to get rid of those hiccups. Yes, so I need you to scare me at home. Do you think you can do that? All right, I'm going to tell you what you're going to need to do. All right, I don't really like being scared. Ooh, I don't like to be frightened at all. But what you're going to do is you're going to say, boo, on the count of 3. You ready? All right, I'm going to count, and I want you to practice at home. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, boo! Oh, no. Oh, let's try it again. Let's try it again, but you got to say it louder, okay? Louder this time. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, boo! Ooh, that was pretty scary. Oh, but maybe it cured my, will I have these hiccups forever? Oh, I sure hope not. Oh, okay. All right, let's try it one more time. All right, I want you to shout it. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm listening. I don't hear anything. Roar! Oh, well, I was waiting for a good scare, and my friend, he came and he jumped out at me. Hey, how's it going, penguin? Well, hold on a second. My hiccups, they're gone. They're gone. Well, thank you so much. Oh, let's celebrate now with a nice spicy taco. That was the story of Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. I hope you enjoyed today's story, everybody. Look for another story next week, and be sure to come by the library to get your penguin craft this week. It's a lot of fun. Bye-bye, everybody.